share with you the worksheet I had in mind, guys. Yesterday we were looking at a shorish called kun. Let me share. And we're going to go back to the same verse where this shorish appears, but I wanted to give you a little more experience, Joseph, with how these words appear straight out of the dictionary. So I actually copied some sections of the dictionary which gave some variations on the shorish kun. And Joseph, if you'd be so kind as to lead us in pronouncing these words and their meanings, and also the examples in Hebrew. I'll let you take over, Joseph, for a little while.
Okay. The first shoresh is Kiev.
Well done. So this is already quite tricky, but we have two vavs in a row, and actually the Hebrew is trying to help us so that we're certain to pronounce vav and not a shuruk. So it gives us actually two vavs, as if to say ki vein. You had it right, Joseph, ki vein.
Oh yes, ki vein.
Very nice. And it means?
To straighten.
Right. This is a Jewish source called Sifrei, which is a commentary on the book of Deuteronomy, and we have just a short phrase, but it uses a form of kivein. Do you want to try and pronounce this Hebrew for us, Joseph? I'll give you some help on the second word because there are no nikudot, but give it a try.
Yes. Mechav. Mechavnu. Mechavno.
Well done. Let me give you the syllables on the second word.
Vamaagal.
Actually, I got one of them wrong, and you'll like this. This is really cool. Friedrich, you'll like this because here's a chataf for you. Give it a try now, Joseph.
Magila.
Bima agila.
Oh, you started a dagesh.
Right.
Bima agila.
Nice. Mechavno bima agila. So this word, to straighten, he tries to straighten the wood in a press. Magila is a press. Here's another form of the kun in the red, Joseph. Could you give us this one that's in red?
Yes. Heihin.
Nice.
To put in proper position or to prepare.
Well done. Let's ask Very nice. Let's ask our partner in Lamu to kindly recite the verse from Exodus 16, verse 5.
Okay. The guy from Lamu is ready to recite.
Kindly proceed.
Vechaya Bayom Hashish Vehachinu.
Hold on, hashishi.
Hashishi.
There you go.
Vehachinu et Asher Yaviu.
Very nice.
Vehaya Mishnei Al Asher Ilketru Yom.
Beautiful. The only little correction would be on the second line, the first word, the tsere, vehechinu, vehechinu.
Vehechinu.
Slow it down, brother. Vehechinu.
Vehechinu.
Very nice. Vehechinu, to arrange.
Vehechinu.
And this is nice. And this is actually describing the collection of the manna, the man. The Jewish people went out into the field on the sixth day, and they collected a double portion of the manna. V'haya bayom hashishi, and it was on the sixth day. V'hechinu et asher yaviu. They organized or they arranged everything that they had brought in from the sixth day. V'haya mishna, and behold, it was double. Al asher yilkatu yom yom, double from that which they had been bringing in on every other day. So we know the story of the manna, the miracle of the manna. First off was that it was food provided in the desert, which was very nutritious and available every day. But the other miracle was that on the sixth day, they reaped double. And Joseph, why was it necessary that they should reap double on the sixth day?
Because on the seventh day, they were not supposed to do any work, even collection of the food,
Right.
and they were allowed to collect double. But on the other day, surprisingly, when they collected double, they could not use them because they will get bad.
Right. That's very nice. I recall that now that you remind me.
Yes.
It's very nice to bring that concept in. We have a little time. Why don't we enjoy again this idea of hechin? There's one more red word, Joseph. It's another form of kun. Can you give this one to us, and then I'll ask you to recite this last verse. This is the last red word.
Yes. Nit kavein.
Beautiful.
Nit kavein. To be straight to be remedied.
Right. Let's try the verse now. This is actually another Jewish source, and I don't know this source at all.
Okay. El atem mitkan.
You need to pronounce your vowels. Mitkav.
Okay. Mitkavnim.
Nice.
Eile baor.
Beautiful. And so, ein atem mitkavnim, there is no remedy for you except through the fire. So, in order for us to purify, we have to go through fire is the idea. I didn't get the English down, but ein atem mitkavnim eila baor. There is no remedy for you other than through the fire. So, Diedrich, I hope you will pull me out of the fire before I get too remedied. But beautiful, beautiful work, Joseph and Gideon. It's always just a pleasure to hear you guys reading and contributing at this level. And Vinitha, just awesome work. Diedrich, awesome work. Beautiful meeting, guys. Let's keep going strong with it. We'll see you tomorrow night. One more night of class before our weekend break. So, and Maya, please don't hesitate to join again, and we'll continue to work with you. It's a Great to have you with us, Maya.